Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can minus 10% in Excel. There are few different ways to subtract 10% in Excel depending on whether you want to write a formula in a new cell or permanently change your existing number. So in the first method, if you want to subtract 10% from a number, you are left with 90% of that original number. So this makes multiplication the quickest way to get your result. For example, if your original number is in cell B1, then you need to type this formula into an empty cell. Put the equal sign, select the cell reference, space, multiplication into 0.9 and press enter to see the results. Then drag the fill handle down to apply it to the other rows. So there is another subtraction method that tells out the math step by step. Original number minus original number into 10%. It is often easier for the beginners to read and understand at a glance. So for example, if your original number is in the cell B3, you need to type this formula, put the equal sign, select the cell reference, space, minus sign, space, open the bracket, select the cells and space into space 10%, close the bracket, hit enter. Use the fill handle to apply this formula to the other values. So if you want to see the 10% discount value, for this you need to use this formula, put the equal sign, select the cells reference into 10 divided by 100. This is the 10% discount value. So go to the next cells, put the equal sign, select the product price and minus discount value and use the fill handle to apply this formula to the other values. So this method shows the 10% discount value and price after discount. If you don't want to use any formula, then you can use a special trick. If you want to reduce a whole column of number by 10% without creating a new column for formula, so you can use this bulk update trick. For this you need to type 0.9 into an empty blank cell and copy it and drag it to the down, and then I'll be copy the product price over here and now copy it by Control C. And now highlight all the numbers you want to reduce by 10%. And then you need to right click and click on the paste special. So in the menu that pop-ups, look under the operations section and select multiply and then click OK. You can see that all selected numbers will instantly drop by 10% and you can reduce the decimals, and here you can reduce the decimals 2.26. So this is pretty simple and easy method. So I hope you understand how you can minus 10% in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.